In this video, I will tell you how to connect Binance to DEX screener. So first what you need to do is go to the bottom left on DEX screener and click on sign in. From there, choose connect wallet. Now keep in mind you can't connect Binance directly. You'll need to use a wallet in between. For this example, we'll use MetaMask. Open your MetaMask wallet, tap on receive and copy your wallet address. Then head over to Binance, go to spot, select withdraw and pick the coin you want to transfer, for example Ethereum, paste your wallet address there. Now go back to DEX screener, hit connect wallet and select the wallet you're using. It will open MetaMask where you just confirm the connection. Then it will ask you to verify your account by signing a message. Once you do that, the wallet is connected. Finally, complete your withdrawal from Binance to that wallet address and you're ready to use DEX screener. That's how you connect Binance to DEX screener. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.